Hello everyone, welcome back to Staying Local. Hope you all are doing very well. Today we are in the Cammo Estate. Located in the northwest outskirts of Edinburgh, it's a large site with attractive woodlands, glades and grasslands, and a story. This place is said to be one of the haunted places of Edinburgh. The Cammo Estate was once the estate of the majestic Cammo House, which was built in 1693. With 20 rooms, this glamorous mansion was constructed to face southeast, looking over a beautiful landscape of trees, avenues, and gardens. Today, all that remains of this grand mansion is just the door frame with a pile of stones. Lady Margaret Tennant lived on this property with her two sons, when one of her sons emigrated to America. Broken-hearted, she had lost the will to maintain herself and the house. Over the years, for whatever the reasons, Cammo House started to disintegrate and it became uninhabited. According to the local stories, after the death of Lady Tennant, her ghost haunts this place. Legend has it that the ghost of Lady Margaret roams around this place, floating on the gardens and the lawns. The house indeed had a marvelous view of the gardens. To be honest, we did not feel anything strange about this place at all. In fact, we loved the quietness of the gardens. Strolling down the gardens, we are now headed towards the stable block. The stable block would have housed about 7 horses, a forge for replacing shoes, and ancillary accommodation. Anyways, this building is closed for visitors at this time. So this structure is a great landmark of the Cammo Estate. This is the Cammo Tower, built in the early 19th century. This round tower is 4 stories tall and was designed to supply water to the nearby Cammo House, the farms and the stables. We are standing on a hill just in front of the Cammo Tower. It has a beautiful view of the city and the Costofen Hill. An excavation is going on here. Archaeologists have found out a lot of personal belongings, assumed to be owned by the cook of the house. These are believed to be the servants' accommodation known as the Cammo cottages. The Edinburgh Archaeological Field Society is carrying out this excavation. we are entering the walled gardens. These gardens lie towards the southwest of the Cammo House and was built in the 18th or early 19th century. This garden had an orchard replaced by glass houses. All the fruits and vegetables necessary to supply Cammo House throughout the year were grown in the orchard. In 1918, the walled garden ceased to function as a working garden and eventually became a wilderness. As spring is arriving, the garden is filled with white flowers known as the wild garlics. I wonder how this huge tree got uprooted. This is the Cammo Canal. The garden has a vivid variety of trees. Also, you can listen to the melodious chirping of thousands of birds throughout the video. Coming back to the Cammo House, our journey ends here today. If you have liked the video, please share your comments and hit the like button. New viewers visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.